Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you some general information and a brief overview, as well as my first impressions on this Petratools HD201 2-gallon manual pump sprayer sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. I'm a big fan of Petratools. I have several of their products. Let me tell you what I love about this. So there's nothing glamorous about a pump sprayer, but this has some neat features to it that I think you're gonna like. One of the first things that I noticed when I opened it up is how long the hose is that comes with it. I love that. The current sprayer that I have has a really small hose. It's very difficult to move around with it. This, you've got a lot of room to work around, and I love that. It's got a really easy to use pressure release. It's right on the top, and all you have to do is lift it up. It's a full 2-gallon sprayer, so it should take care of most of the needs around most yards. It comes with two different nozzle heads. It's got a regular sprayer, and it also has a jet sprayer that comes with it. And I like that it has a nice carrying strap with it because I absolutely get tired of carrying mine around. Pumping action is super smooth and locks into place. How does it look in live action? Well, as you can see, I am spraying some long overdue weeds that are in my front yard. It's got a nice, even, smooth spray to it. It's easy to use, easy to pump. As you can see, I'm able to take that hose and move it all the way around, and I certainly love that it is 2 gallons. I know that I'm not going to have to refill or redo this. I can do everything in one shot with 2 gallons, and I really like that a lot. And a couple of other things that are most important to me anytime I buy anything for my tools, garden, that type of thing, is the quality of construction and the quality of materials. This feels like it's going to last a long time. It feels like it's made very well, and I anticipate being able to use this for years to come. If you're looking for a high quality, well-made sprayer for your home, whether it's for some minor construction projects that you have, or if it's for around your garden, I highly recommend that you give Petratools a look. It works for me. It is a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.